Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics with Safdar. Now you are watching IGCSE Physics free lesson series. I hope all would be great. So let's begin the lesson of the day. Students, today we are going to learn about the application of distance time graph. Distance time graph is used to describe the journey of the object, distance traveled by the object, speed of the object. Before move on to the exercise, first we need to recall the previous information about the distance time graph. Look at this graph. If you have a distance time graph and you have a horizontal line here, it shows object is stationary or at rest. If you have a graph distance time like this is the diagonal line. It shows object is moving with the constant speed. Now move on to the next exercise. Students, now you are going to learn how to calculate the speed of an object by using its distance time graph. Look at this example. A car is moving from point A to point B. Its distance time graph you can see here. Now the question is, calculate the speed of car in 15 seconds. For that, first you need to recall a speed equation. Speed is equals to distance divided by time. The time is given and we need to calculate distance in this interval. So move on to the distance time graph. This is the time we need, up to 15 seconds. Now we need to find out the distance traveled in this interval. For that you will start from here until this line, cut this line of the journey, and from here you can read the distance covered by the car, and that is 40 meter. Now put this number in the speed equation. 40 is the distance covered, 15 is the time. Divide the number, then you get 2.7 meter per second. And it was the speed of the car in that journey. Another important question which help you to understand the calculation from distance time graph. The question is, the distance time graph is showing the journey of a car. You need to calculate the speed of the car in first 5 seconds. Part B, discuss the motion between 5 to 10 seconds. In part C, you will calculate the speed of the car in last 10 seconds. First, have a look of the graph. The graph has the three portions. This is the first one. And you know well, it is showing the object is moving with the constant speed. Next, we have horizontal line. You have an idea, if you have line like this, it shows object at rest. Once again, the third part, you have a straight line, which indicates object is returning to its starting position. Now move on to the solution. The speed of the car in first 5 seconds. First you need the speed equation, that is the speed is equals to distance over time. Now this is the time we have and we need to calculate distance in this time first. You will draw a line from here. This is the distance covered, you can read from here. It is 30. Put the numbers here. 30 meter is the distance covered. This is the time. Divide the number. You will get 6 meter per second. The next part, discuss the motion between 5 to 10 seconds. In the graph, it is showing this interval 5 to 10 seconds. And here we have a straight line which is parallel to time axis that shows object is not moving or at rest. So here no need to calculate anything. You will write the answer directly. In part B, car is not moving or car at rest. In part C, the speed of the car is last 10 seconds. So move on to the graph. It is showing the last 10 seconds and we need to distance in this portion. You will draw a line from here. It will give you the value of distance covered. Now put the values in speed equation. 30 over 10, divide the number, you will get 3 meter per second. Now once again, thank you for listening. Keep watching Physics with Safdar. You will find all the lessons you need regarding theory, practical, past papers. See you in the next lesson. Share this video, subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos. Keep watching Physics with Safdar.